So the 15th characteristics of the successful people is they focus on now. So basically, a successful people, the person, they understand or they live mostly in only one time frame, that is the past. But if you think or if you see the successful people, they concentrate, or for them the favorite time zone are now and future. So basically what they will do, and out of now and future, mainly they will focus on now, because they very well know that if they focus on now, if they take action now, then only they can enhance their future. So their favorite time period, time zone is now, where they act upon which, and the unsuccessful people mindset, they will just keep on figuring out, they will just procrastinate, they will just keep on planning. But on the other hand, the successful people, they will take immediate massive action. That means they will operate in current time zone, in now zone, and they will make their future better. So this is the advantage of focusing now, and I will come up with the next characteristics of successful people. Till then, bye, see you.